today we are going to go ahead and look at our question words. So in the last video that we watched, we reviewed the first 3 W question words. So I need your help right now. This is what I need your help with. So I am going to describe each of the words, and then I'm going to show you the picture, and I need your help in deciding which word is it, okay? Let's see if you remember. Okay, so the first one is a person or animal. Okay, so look at the picture here. We have a woman, a man, another woman, there's a cat here, a dog here, and then there's some children over here, okay? So I want you to put your thinking cap on, and I want you to think about which W question was this one, all right? You can say it out loud, and let's reveal the answer. Let's see if you're right. Who? So if you said who, then you were right. Good job. Okay, let's look at this one over here. This is the second W word that we were looking at in our video. So it's an object or action. Okay, so we have a book here, a turtle, and then it looks like a car that's moving. Okay, so I want you to think about what that W word is. Okay, go ahead and say it out loud. Okay, let's see if you're right. It's what. Okay, so if you said what, then you are correct. Okay, let's move to the last one over here that we'll look at today. So we have a place. So it looks like a playground, the forest, and a house. Okay, let's see if you remember which one this one is. Where. Okay, so good job if you said where. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our chart paper over here. Today, we are going to write 3 WH questions. Okay, so what I need you to do is you guys are going to use those same 3 words that we went over. So remember, they were who, what, and where. And what I need you to do is I need you to look at this picture right over here. Go ahead and zoom in on this picture. And we are going to have a very special job. We are going to use those 3 W words to create 3 questions based off of this picture right here. Okay, so take a good look at it. And we're going to go ahead and look at the first one up here. Number 1, who. Remember, who means a person or animal. Okay, so if we look at our picture over here, I want to see who is there. Okay, so it's a girl. Okay, so I am going to ask a question about the girl. So I am going to ask, who is the girl in the bathroom? Because I don't know what her name is. Is her name Jackie? Is it Jill? What is it? We don't know, so we're going to go ahead and write that question. So we will write who, make sure you put a finger space, is, another finger space, the, remember that's one of our sight words. Okay, so who is the girl in the bathroom? Okay, so I'm asking a question, so I cannot put a period at the end. Does anyone know what I'm supposed to write at the end of my question? It's a question mark. Okay, so curve it around, make a line, put your dot at the bottom, there you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and read number 1. Who is the girl in the bathroom? So that's our first question that we wrote based off of this picture. Okay, so we're going to go to number 2. Number 2 is, do you know what word that one is? What. Remember, what is an object or action. So we're going to look back at our picture, and I want to think about a question we can ask with what. Something that has to do with the object or the action. So I'm going to ask a question about the girl. And I'm going to ask, what is she doing in the bathroom? What is she doing in the bathroom? Okay, so remember, you always need to put finger spaces in between your words. So I put all of my finger spaces there. And then what did I put at the end of my question? I put a question mark. Let's read our second question. What is she doing in the bathroom? Okay, we have one more question left to write. Number 3, where? So I noticed that she's brushing her teeth, and I know that she's in the bathroom, but usually when I brush my teeth, I usually am brushing my teeth because I'm going somewhere. Okay, so my question is, where is she going? Maybe she's going somewhere. Maybe she's going to school, or maybe she's going to the grocery store. Where is she going? What do I need at the end? Question mark. Okay, let's read that one together. Where is she going? Okay, boys and girls, so thank you so much for helping me write my 3 questions. So now what I need you to do is, in your homework today, you are going to look at your own picture. It's going to be a different picture. You can color it with any colors that you would like. And what I need you to do is I need you to use the first 3 W words, and you're going to write 3 questions. Okay, so I can't wait to see what your questions are. Bye, pre-K.